So it's time to choose the winner of the Linkin Park album art cover, and in order to do that I have added a random winner generator to the router table. Now it's not very scientific, please nobody complain about the angles. There were 6 people who put their names down on the video, said yes please. So we've got Shelley Cole, Dave Hart, Matt Haas, Odessa Woodworking, Mark Shabot and Desert Bum. So we will see who ends up the winner. This has been thoroughly tested, highly safe, but I am going to stand back. And the lucky winner is Desert Bum. I think it's Desert Bum Woodworking. So I'll try and make contact with you, grab your address, unless you're going to be at Makers Central, then I can hand it over in person. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you all again soon.